stop is the boat of Fiesta.
We got an outfit of the day for the airport. It's a halter neck. I'm telling you right now, all of this shit is from Primark, except
Hey, where's my jacket, baby?
this new jacket. Except this is from H&M. This is from Primark. This bodysuit is from Primark. These jeans are from Primark. This belt is from Primark. Right? These are like patchwork jeans, which I love. Hold on. Step back. And then I've got Crocs on. This is what we are greeted with this morning.
On my campus. Look the flowers, right?
I see.
The sun. What?
So beautiful. Aw. Security and about to get through, and then our boarding passes won't work. So our boarding passes don't work, and we're really confused because we're like, we literally just checked in. Come to find out, whilst we were walking in, our flight got cancelled. So right now what we're doing is just waiting in a, what do you call it? It's kind of like just queuing by the services to see if our flight is gonna get, what's the word? What's the word I'm looking for? Like if we're gonna get booked onto another flight, that's what I'm basically saying. But yeah, this is really annoying because we got all the way to security, and then just to only be told, basically by our boarding passes, that our flight got cancelled. So. Guys, this is so cool. We just landed in Lisbon because, gosh, do I have a story time for you. However, we just landed in Lisbon and it's really hot. Like,
So customs was the quickest thing on this planet. How long we waited in customs? 5 minutes.
In and out.
5 minutes flat. We
You
already.
saw a person though. It wasn't like one of those visual things. We saw
Yeah,
somebody.
it was one person, and we saw them in within 5 minutes of, and we were like, it was a line. It was like a good 10 people before us, and we saw them within 5 minutes. No shade on like Portugal security, but like,
It's all praise to be there.
yeah, we were rushing, so we had no complaints. But we even got our baggage so quick. Like it was already there. Like guys, 20 minutes, like 30 minutes, everything was already there.
Was walking to the airport to get to this.
Exactly. The thing that took us the longest was getting to the metro, and actually the metro even starting. Like the metro came and it didn't want to go. And by the time it left, our train had left by like 10 minutes. So we're like, okay, we're just gonna have to get a new ticket then. And we'd already paid like £20 for this one. So, but like, we're not really, well, I wasn't really upset about it. I don't know if you were upset about it, but I wasn't upset about it because I was like, ish, but at least I'm here. Do you get me? At least I have options, huh? Huh?
It took us like 20, 30 minutes.
Yeah, it took us.
From wait time, from getting our ticket to wait time to actually getting there. The train ride itself wasn't long. It was more like 10, 12 minutes than 7 minutes. But
Yeah. It was not a long train ride. Like, the actual, like, it was only the waiting that got us. So we just got a new ticket to Porto. We got our other ticket, and then get this right. So in the metro, we saw an advertisement for a McBox. We saw an advertisement for McBox, and we were like, "What's that? They don't have that in England." So we were now set on going to the Portuguese McDonald's and getting a fucking McBox because it looked so good. It was basically value for your money type deal. So it was, yeah, it was like 3 meals for like,
plus nuggets.
no, it was 2 meals.
No, it was 3 meals, babe.
It was 3 meals plus nuggets.
Yeah.
Yo, okay, so we're like, okay, cool, and it was for cheap, dirt cheap, right? It was like 20 euros. That's 4 meals for 20 euros. I don't think you guys understand how excited I was. 2 people just having 2 meals each. I look hungry, bruh. Anyway, we got our train ticket, and we're like, yeah, we're going to that place. We need to get our food. So we went to McDonald's after getting our train ticket, and we just got the McBox, and it was so good, guys. England is so boring. England is so boring. Like, do you guys understand what I'm saying to you? England is boring. Like, no shade.
All shade. What are you saying?
No shade, but
All
England
shade.
is boring.
It's been boring.
You know, England has Big Macs and what else they have? I don't even remember, bruh. I've forgotten. A McChicken. Unseasoned McChicken. These guys had a fucking honey mustard chicken.
It was so delightful.
And like their Angus
Beef.
their Angus beef. Like steakhouse. Top tier. Oh, just a quick side. I started using this primer, and I love it. It's so good. It's literally, you know, the Milk Hydro Grip primer, right? It's quite literally a dupe. Like, I was gonna buy the Milk, but then I was like, there's not really much point if I can get the e.l.f. So I tried the e.l.f. dupe. Beautiful. It stays on all day.
Interruption.
Hold
Which
on.
one do you prefer?
Ended up getting on was only supposed to take us 3 hours. So we shaved off 2 hours from the train before, which is great. But this train was old, guys. It was old, but it was new at the same time, which doesn't make sense, but it does. Like, it had free Wi-Fi and it had charging ports. Barely. But it had them. But it was also rickety as hell. It was so rickety. And you could hear it move. It was squeaking, guys. So we got on there and I just passed out. I'm not gonna lie to you. I started reading and I was like, I'm knocking, because I was just too tired. When we got here, our host
Ruiz. Shout out to Ruiz.
Shout out to Ruiz, bro. He was so kind. We got here after check-in time and we were like, we're so sorry, our flight got delayed, canceled or whatever. And he was just like, yeah, it's fine. And I was like, and we're like, we're gonna arrive after check-in time. And he was like, it's okay. And he waited. Oh, bless him, he waited. Poor Ruiz. But he waited. So shout out to Ruiz and his great hospitality. I've got the singles and everything. I look
Say no to that, guys.
I look cute with my bag. And then we've got the, I'm not gonna lift my leg up, guys. You can just come down here. There you go. But, and this is her foot. Don't she look good?
With the puppy chain on, the rings on, the earrings on.
Don't get
Wait, the dad shoes.
The dad-
You gotta put down some dad shoes.
the dad shoes.
Staples. You didn't spend enough time on the dad shoes, but we're not gonna talk about it.
I look good, she looks good, and we're gonna go out.
You guys, one thing about Portugal that's gonna make you work. Oh my goodness. I am in slides. And I've only gone up this much. Say hello. I've only gone up this much. And I think I'm going to start crying. Because
Oh yeah, this is the right way.
I can't. I'm tired.
We climb this much and then
Huh?
we take a left and we keep climbing.
Look at that. You guys, I'm tired. Doesn't make any sense. Anyway.
I like how we took it one little step at a time.
We just came from a church. That was beautiful.
by the time of Jesus is already 100 years.
You guys, she brought me to a vineyard. Hey. She brought me to a vineyard.
But yeah,
Look, it's so pretty.
we have the which all the Latin so-called languages don't have. Yeah. So they talk like Urdu, Shi, it sounds the same.
I feel it's so peaceful here. Like, so insane. Like, I'm excited. I don't know what they have in store for us, but I'm excited. Yeah, they already have glasses up there, sorry.
But I had a Portuguese friend and I can.
And yeah, it's just really pretty. And I think my outfit fits it. She said it does. It's, yeah. But it's cute.
The cocoa, yeah, in America, South America, it was very.
You want another one?
Mm-hmm. The locals, they will pronounce it something different, and with that, chocolate. It makes sense.
Yeah, I read that one. Like it's like made of blah blah. Like that's chocolate is like blah blah because that's what they heard.
Even the Indian words
Thank you.
from Columbus.
Thank you.
To
You're
Jamaica,
welcome.
and he thought,
Are we trying it now? I'm trying. They have. That smells very good. It's giving me it's giving you above. Guys, it's so good. Huh? It's so good. Is it?
The Institute of Portugal that's sort of like they monitor the standards for pork rinds. Well, what's the name of the institute?
Oh, I'm dizzy. I'm dizzy. Oh, the one we got like I don't know. I don't know what it is, but I'm dizzy.
Baby's not gonna make it.
Baby, she's just pouring some more. I'm gonna have a good time tonight.
Because we're actually getting one of these bottles. We're gonna finish the one at home. That's shit compared to this.
Literally, I was thinking, do you even need to finish that?
Yeah, because we bought it. We're gonna put it in the fridge.
Maybe it'll taste better. That's why the port wine that he got was cold. Ruiz always knows.
Oh, we gotta thank him, man. Nah, we gotta thank him, and when we come back, we're gonna book him again.
Oh yeah. Should we come to Portugal every anniversary?
A new place.
Portugal, what is that? Oh, yeah.
Fuck off.
I think I'm dizzy because I haven't eaten. And now I'm drinking alcohol. So
The
it's gonna
tart,
just...
man. You want the tart? You have to have the tart at this point. Wine number 2. Oh, that smells nice.
It smells much more vinegary than...
It smells more alcoholic to me. Not alcoholic. We have no proper words, man. No proper terms.
All of a sudden with sommeliers.
We are. This is how the joy they feel, right? fan of that one.
It has much more of the. It has much more of the. It has much more of the alcohol type thing. Does that make sense?
I'd say it smells like it's more.
No, it tastes much more alcohol, like red wine. It tastes like red wine, but sweeter. Like
Oh, that's nice.
do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, thank goodness. Because I couldn't find the way.
Yeah, I can't afford this Tawny though. Oh, it's very nice. She drunk already.
No, guys, I haven't eaten. Guys.
Yeah, this one's sweet. It's just one. It's not the one in
Oh no, it's not.
I'm so upset. You like it though.
I do like it.
Interesting.
I don't know what to think.
Me either. I prefer the first two. I do know that. This is definitely more wine-like and less sweet. The other two are like sugar. She's trying to be a...
Don't worry, next stop is the boat, our siesta. Like there's a nice breeze running.
Put a little hair on your chest.
Burns, it was like still like burning.
This time we'll shoot it.
You don't like it, do you? That's good. Like
We're
that.
shooting it right now.
No, the thing is, I like spirits, but there's something wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with that.
That's making me right.
My makeup was greasy as hell. My forehead big as hell too. Can I please have my glasses
I want
back?
to see what I look like. You didn't want to put the...
Oh,
I look good as hell. Dang. It's tragic out here for you, huh?
look at this ice cream right there. I look like Poppy, you know. Damn, okay.
It's not even focused on me, bro.
Because it's not about you right now.
It's about... Get at me. I'll leave my number in the description.
We had this potato, what do you call it? Potato, cod, prawn type dish.
It was really like a scalloped potato, to be fair.
Is there ice cream here? Okay, cool. Let's go. So, I don't know. But it was delicious. It was so delicious. I think we're about to go. We're about to go get some ice cream, but like right now, we're getting ice cream and then we're gonna go on the boat. So.
As I had 2 beers at the table, we stayed there, me, her, some friends, and I met her from there, and she 12 years. I'm thirsty.
This is, I actually have no clue what this is, but it is about a 20-minute drive uphill from Bino. I think that's how I pronounce it, but it's really beautiful. It's like a little village town. And apparently none of the residents speak English, so you got a translator. But it's super cute. It's really, really cute. Like, I have no qualms. Like, it's quiet, it's peaceful. Today has been extremely hot. Like in the, probably in the, like 27 like degrees Celsius. He's a doggy. I don't like dogs. I like dogs. Do I like dogs? Anyway, it's really, really hot. Like, I'm boiling, but we will move and flourish. This is it. Apparently there's a turtle in some barrel. I don't know what barrel was being talked about. Is it this one? This looks like a bin. That's a bin. Where's the barrel? I don't know what barrel was being talked about, bruh. Is it this basket here? Oh, a pond. I'm not gonna touch this water because I don't know. But we met some pretty cool people. That's a bin too. Hold on. Oh, this barrel. Look at the turtle. Hello. This is a really little quaint shop. Apparently, the owner's husband made all these little trinkets. So it's super homemade, homegrown. It's cute, the little turtle. Anyway, I don't think you guys want to look at a turtle, so I'm gonna go on.
You guys, go ahead. You fluffing and coughing. Did you get the key? Did you get the key?
Okay,
I think I may have gotten it. This is mine, guys. Ooh, that looks very nice. That's yours. No, it's looking very colorful over here. I want lime.
okay, so I just got this lime.
It's disgusting.
Kalipo.
It's gross.
Right,
Bad.
and she's
Blech.
having a go at me because she doesn't like it. So I'm just gonna
Ice pop. Who gets a lime?
take the camera away from her. This is where we are.
This is where we
We're
are.
waiting for the bus to go to a contemporary museum.
It's pretty cool. Where?
Contemporary museum? What is wrong with you, bro?
What's happening, world? It's your girl Raya and your home girl Zoe.
Hi guys.
Oh my guys. Let me take over.
We left the contemporary.
Girlfriend take over.
We
Take over.
we left the contemporary museum
so
because it was
trash.
so dead, bruh. It was. In fact, it was deader than dead. If you guys have watched Midsummer, it was giving strong ass Midsummer vibes. I honestly thought I was about to join a cult. So, 10 out of 10 would not recommend, but would recommend at the same time because some of them were interesting. If you like contemporary pieces, you should go. What's it called? I don't know, but it's in Porto, Portugal. It's the Museum of Contemporary Arts. Look at her. Anyway, look at this pink building over there.
Stop! I know you swiped up too.
I didn't. It's not showing the pink building. Anyway,
It's not showing. Sorry. This is actually gonna be a dead vlog. It's like interrupting. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm not like this on the usual.
and then she carries on interrupting.
Oh, look at the deer.
That's not a deer.
It's not a deer.
It's not a deer.
What is that doing?
It's a mountain goat. This is beautiful. Oh. You guys, I got hay fever and I made a fatal mistake. I came out to experience God's earth. I didn't take my hay fever tablets. So now I'm itchy. My throat is sore. I'm just not meant to be out here. It was a bee. Bee's not gonna do anything to you unless you do something to them. Leave her alone. Just walk away. Bruh. this is twitching like she's on crack. Let's go.
There's a bee.
You enjoying yourself?
Oh yeah.
Skidding out here. Y'all.
You don't care about the shallow things. You want into enjoyment. Hey. You want into enjoyment, man. Watch out. Yeah, off of the temple.
We're going down now to the actual beach. Woo, this camera's about to be bobbing up and down. Which way? Oh, there's a little Khmer restaurant here. No. It's like a little haven.
Oh, we are genuinely sitting in the walking sunset. Sorry. We're actually sitting in
It's just so vibrant. Like, I feel like everyone is just chilled and really just taking it all in. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. we came back from holiday about a week and a half ago, and I forgot to do an outro. So this is me doing the outro. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and just show this some love. This is obviously my first video, so forgive any mistakes, but I'm pretty proud of it. The holiday was really fun. I had the best time, and it was great. It was just great, and I'm pretty sure you saw that throughout the video. So thank you for watching once again, and I hope to see you in the next one.